Welcome to NAIJA News and Entertainment, your number one channel for Nigerian news and celebrity gist happening in and around Nigeria. For first-time viewers, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell button below so as to get notified when a new video drops. Thank you. Thank you.
From you upon this woman, so Lord, oh my God, in your presence, oh Lord, you, all Almighty, you have the power of the heavens, oh Lord, my God, whatever has been at the witnesses powers of the evil's power of the witnesses and wizards over, oh Lord, oh my God, has taken place of their career, of their life, of their living, oh Lord, oh my God, Father, may you carry it away, carry it
fire
by your by your thunder in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, on this day, let there shall be seen your wisdom unto you in the mighty name of Jesus.
Fire!
Father, King of glory, let your prayer of your bounty on your pleasant in the mighty name of Jesus.
Fire!
In their babies, oh Lord, my
Fire!
God, that's coming to me, oh Lord, oh my God. Let it should be over pleasant to me in the mighty name of Jesus.
Hey!
Let the family should be content in the mighty name of Jesus. Let nothing shall be any has a problem shall be able to be taken ahead of the evil pleasure. Every God demonstration of the witches and wizards of the powers of the damned. Let it should be that power by the anointing in the mighty name of Jesus.
Fire!
In Jesus' name I pray, in Jesus' name. In the mighty name of Jesus I pray. Yes.
Reminder, what's your name again? Your name again, please.
My name is Sabas Iban. I produce village of 18 the start for Unical Gangster, independent, as various solution, general segment. Now the bad skin and they're not fully. And men in the men do. Me and a body they fuck the same to do. If you get all your for to do, you put on for lantern or laptop. One for all, one for general. My guy name ever called Kakida. I am #1 president on this state of capital of Calabar. To be ruled for now. Any other president should be hiding first. I take over the president's seat today. Yes.
Power!
About to be ruled for now. Any other president should be hiding first. I take over the president's seat.
And he's still saying the same thing.
You say you and Buhari now waiting?
Me and Buhari they fuck the same thing.
Very good.
Okay, Papa.
Okay.